and welcome. I'm Prachi Gupta. As the whole world battles the coronavirus pandemic, every single day is bringing in hope. Hope of a breakthrough. Hope of a new vaccine. In this COVID 19 bulletin, we bring you facets of that hope, curated information on the new developments in science and technology each day that can help us in managing and overcoming the ongoing crisis. In response to COVID 19, various SNT institutes have come up with devices that can combat the virus. In this series, Hyderabad based Employee State Insurance Corporation Medical College, along with ECIL and other institutions, has developed a device named COVID Beep. The new gadget is a wireless physiological parameter monitoring system. It can measure body temperature, blood oxygen saturation, heart rate, respiratory rate, ECG, and blood pressure along with the location of the patient. The app remotely displays these parameters on a mobile phone, laptop, and desktop computer of a doctor for monitoring. The gadget therefore enables easy monitoring of COVID patients by the doctors. The device was recently launched by the Union Ministers G. Kishan Reddy and Dr. Jitendra Singh. The Centre for Cellular and Molecular Platforms, or CCAMP, which is an initiative of the Department of Biotechnology, is trying to come up with new technologies and methods to battle the coronavirus crisis. Recently, CCAMP's startup Zeroplast has donated around 1 lakh face shields through Pune-based Shield Action Group. The startup has also launched Armor, which is a lightweight and reusable model of face shields. This new face shield has been developed as per the feedback received from doctors and police officers. Let's hear more about this face shield from Aditya Kabra, CEO of Zeroplast Labs.
Armor face shields provide high quality protective gear for Aam Aadmi at affordable prices. It has mainly three properties that differentiate itself from the regular shields. First is the reusable holder, which can be used for lifelong. Just the plastic sheet in the front needs to be replaced every week once it develops some scratches, and the holder can stay for a long duration. The comfort that it offers is nowhere compared to a normal sponge shield. It can be used because of the front support that we have provided. It can be used for 8 to 12 hours extremely comfortably, and it has no need for usage of foam, which can have other adverse effects. We have various unique designs in this, such as like it protects full till the ears, it provides full face protection, and also the specially designed anti-splash vents, which are over here. They permit the passage of the air, but prevents the passage of the splashes. Hence, the splashes cannot pass through sideways as well as from the top. So the cost of this, including delivery and GST, is rupees 59, and we are supplying all across India. We are collaborating with various doctors and hospitals across Pune and launching custom models for them. For example, many dentists use loops while operating on patients, and so they need a higher distance from forehead to the sheet. So we are working on incorporating special kinds of rubber pads.
With the desire to serve the country and importantly the medical workers in this time of crisis, a 23-year-old engineer named Pratik Tirodkar has made a Corobot. Corobot is a robot that can deliver food, water, medicines and other stuff to corona patients, cutting down the requirement of ward boys and nurses to come in contact with the patients. The robot has 3 trays which can carry 10 to 15 kg weight each, and the storage at the bottom has 30 kg capacity, hence it can easily carry supplies for 10 to 15 people at a time. Apart from delivering items, the robot also gives auto reminders to the patients to sanitize their hands before they pick up the items from the tray on the robots. For sanitization, the robot has an automatic sanitizer dispensing unit, which dispenses only when a hand is below the dispensing unit. Corobot not only allows sanitization by users, but also sanitizes itself to avoid spreading viruses through touching its surfaces. For this, the robot has 3 nozzles at the back to spray disinfectant on itself. The robot also goes on primarily sanitizing the path it treads by using UV lights. Such innovations are the need of the hour as the coronavirus cases are on the rise in the country. Let's hear what the experts has to say on this.
If you're talking about level, if you can give like out of 10 level, so up to 7 to 8 level robotic systems or robotic technologies are used into this. If we are talking about interactivity, so we have given one camera also and mic system too. So we can interact with patients, or patient can interact with doctors, or nurses through this interactive system. Apart from that, we have used one technology called as IoT, Internet of Things. So what is Internet of Things? We can connect different components or different activities to internet, and we can access them from remote places like camera system or controlling of robot as well. So no need of be present over that particular area. So there is no range limit to control this robot. We can control and monitor this robot from a remote place. Just the required thing is your robot should be connected to the proper internet access and your mobile phone that we have developed an Android application. So this robot is controlled through that Android application. So your mobile should be connected to internet. So it will automatically control from any remote place.
We actually have a couple of revisions of this particular robot. So we went from first version to second version to third version, and we're actually planning to release more newer versions of it. Along with that, we're also planning to actually mass produce this particular robot. So every time we actually did added more features in the next revision, or we made it easier to control, or we made it more accessible or more affordable for hospitals or for other organizations, so that they'll be easily able to implement this robot technology in their organizations as well. Approximate cost, it is actually 1.5 lakhs, okay, for the latest version of this particular robot.
That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. We hope that you all are safe and maintaining social distance. See you soon. Namaskar.